In this video, we're gonna see some important one-word substitution that are asked in various SSC examinations. Study of birds is known as ornithology. Study of languages is known as philology. The practice of writing dictionaries is known as lexicography. Study of collection of coins, tokens, paper money, etc. is known as numismatics. Any government by rich people is known as plutocracy. Travel by sea is called cruise. A person who criticizes traditional beliefs or customs is called iconoclast.